Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Public, a platform that has been making waves in the investment world. Whether you're a beginner looking for a user-friendly way to start investing or an experienced trader exploring new opportunities, Public offers a unique experience that blends traditional investing with a social community aspect. But is it truly the best social investing platform in 2025? Stick around as we break it all down. Public is a modern investing platform designed to make investing more accessible, educational, and interactive. Unlike traditional brokerage platforms that focus solely on buying and selling stocks, Public takes a social-first approach. This means investors can share their thoughts, follow experts, and gain insights from a vibrant community while managing their own investments. Launched in 2019, Public has steadily evolved to become more than just a stock trading platform. Today, it offers a range of assets beyond stocks, including ETFs, cryptocurrencies, treasury bonds, and even alternative investments like fine arts and collectibles. This makes it a one-stop shop for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. A key differentiator for Public is its commitment to transparency and education. Unlike some platforms that rely on payment for order flow to generate revenue, Public routes orders directly to the exchanges, ensuring better pricing for users. This means they don't sell your trade data to third parties, which is a huge plus for ethical investing. Now let us talk about the main features of Public. Fractional investing. One of the biggest barriers to entry for new investors is the high price of some stocks. Public allows users to invest in fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of companies like Tesla, Amazon, or Apple without having to buy a full share. Investment plans. Public lets users create customized investment plans which function like personalized portfolios. Commission-free trading. Unlike some brokers that charge high fees, Public offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. Options trading with rebates. For more advanced investors, Public provides commission-free options trading plus an industry-unique rebate program where traders can earn back up to 50% of the payment for order flow revenue. Alternative investments. Public gives users access to alternative assets like fine arts, luxury collectibles, and even vintage memorabilia, all fractionalized so that investors can buy small portions of high-value assets. High-yield cash accounts. If you have uninvested cash sitting in your account, Public offers a competitive 4.1% APY on their high-yield cash account with no minimum balance or hidden fees. Public Premium Subscription. For $8 per month, Public provides access to advanced stock data, in-depth research from sources like Morningstar, and powerful portfolio management tools for serious investors. Now let us talk about the pricing. While Public is known for being commission-free, it's important to know the costs involved. Stock and ETF trading, 100% commission-free. Options trading, also commission-free with a rebate program. Cryptocurrency trading. Public does charge a 1 to 2% markup on crypto transactions. Alternative assets. These have a 2.5% transaction fee. Public Premium at $8 per month for extra insights and research. Inactivity fee. If your balance is below $70 and there's no activity for 6 months, there's a fee attached. What are the pros and cons of using Public? First, the pros. Wide range of investment options including alternative assets. No commissions on stocks, ETFs, and options. Social investing features encourage learning and community engagement. Transparent fee structure with no PFOF. Fractional investing makes it easy for beginners to start. High yield cash accounts with competitive APY. How about the cons? No custodial or retirement accounts yet. Crypto trading fees are higher than some competitors. It is limited to US-based investors. Alternative investments may have lower liquidity. So, is Public the best social investing platform in 2025? The answer really depends on your needs. If you value an easy-to-use platform with a social aspect, access to alternative assets, and commission-free trading, then public.com is definitely worth considering. However, if you're looking for retirement accounts, lower crypto fees, or a wider range of account types, you might want to look elsewhere. Public is an excellent choice for investors who want a more interactive investing experience while maintaining control over their portfolio. The ability to follow experts, gain insights from the community, and access unique assets makes it a compelling option. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ally Invest, E-Trade, and Interactive Brokers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.